Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to activate your Monzo card step by step using the Monzo app 2025. Whether you are new to Monzo or just got a replacement card, this guide is for you. So let's get started. First, open the Monzo app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into the account linked to your new card. Once inside, you should see a notification bar at the top that says your new card has arrived. Activate now. If you don't see that prompt, just tap the home tab and scroll down until you see card or activate your new card. Now tap on activate and the app will ask you to enter the last four digits of your Monzo card number. This step confirms you physically you have the card. After typing it in the digit, Monzo will instantly confirm activation with a message like you are all set, your card is ready to use. Next, Monzo will ask if you want to add your card to Apple Pay or Google Pay. If you want to use your card right away, follow the on-screen instruction to get started to contactless payment. Now, try using your card at an ATM, a store, or for an online purchase. This helps ensures everything is working properly. If you run into any issues, no worry, just go to the Help tab inside the Monzo app to contact the customer support. And that's it. Your Monzo card is now activated and ready to use. If this guide helps you, like, subscribe, and drop your question in the comment below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.